Hey Zach, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And upon looking at your website, I really like your little graphics and the logos. It's really intriguing. Something I would recommend is having more of these click to call, these action buttons. That way that people can just get a hold of you easier. That helps with your conversions. Something else would be content. And the reason that you want more content on here is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7. And they're looking through the words on all the websites, looking for what's called keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And embedded in that content, you want some keywords spread throughout. So an example of a keyword would be this Foundation Repair OKC. People are searching this every month. The first thing that populates are some ads. And this section here is what's called the Google Map Pack. And so you want to be in the top 3 here just because a lot of people won't click more businesses. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this Google Map Pack section. And so in order to beat out these other businesses, you want to make sure you have a Google business profile. And the main thing is making sure you have more citations than these businesses, and then some photos and 5-star reviews. And this next section is called the organic listing. We're going to skip Angie List. A lot of people don't click on the top 10. And so you want to be in the top 3 section here as well, just because, like I said, a lot of people don't always scroll. And usually people won't go past this first page here. And so let's take a look at Level Up Foundation Repair. So the other 60 to 70% of business is going to go into this organic section. So Level Up Foundation Repair, they have those call to action buttons. They also don't have enough content. And so it'd be really easy to up your content and have more content than them. Now if we plug in Level Up Foundation Repair into this Ahrefs, it's going to show us the ratings that Google is giving for them. UR and DR, that's power and trustworthiness. And so Google's giving them a 24 and a 1.9. And what makes up these numbers are backlinks, which come from referring domains. And so you want to make sure you have good quality backlinks. You do want to have the more the merrier, but you don't want to have spammy backlinks because spammy backlinks will bring these numbers down here. And they have over 1,000 organic keywords on their site. So let's take a look at the Power Jack. DR.3, UR7. And that comes from 143 backlinks coming from 25 referring domains with 34 keywords. And so there is a difference here with the keywords and the power and the trustworthiness of the site. And so what you'd want to do is you want to add keywords to your site and then add backlinks or other websites linking to your website. And one way to do that is to go into Level Up Foundation Repair and click on the backlinks that they have and go through and get the good quality ones. That way you're getting some good quality, trustworthy power going into these numbers. It'll boost those numbers. And then let's take a look at some of where their traffic is coming from. Foundation Repair OKC, 450 people are searching a month. 450, 450, 400, 350, 150. And so here's just a couple examples of some keywords of what quite a few people are searching a month. And so if we could get you ranking higher in the map pack and then also in the organic search, you'll have more eyes on your website, which will in turn lead to more conversions into your customers. And so you just need to add some more content to your website, some good quality backlinks, and then get your Google business profile listing higher than those other businesses. And if you ever want to reach out, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.